Hey sweet friends, welcome back and thank you so much for clicking on today's video. Today we are tackling the bedroom, so let's go ahead and tackle our messes together. I will not be talking in the video, so I hope you do enjoy the ASMR or the music, and let's go ahead and start cleaning it together. If you are new here, please do consider subscribing, give this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. Guys, these are all the products that I'll be using to clean today. This is not that messy, it's just really dusty. You can't see, but the mirror needs to be cleaned and everything will be dust down. And this bottle is just water that I'm going to use my e-cloth combo with, this dusting gloves and a microfiber cloth, and that's it. Not a ton of products. I'm going to change the sheets because those need to be changed, and that's me. Hey guys.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. The laughs so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be, we're gonna be two hearts running wild. The moonlight, summer sky, it was the best we ever had. And we'll stay on forever. We'll never have regrets. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. We're gonna be, we're gonna be two hearts running wild.
I'm like, so that time off, just copy on me, okay? Just feel like the one that's not copying me or rushing down with me. They don't like you. Just hugging me, kissing me.
Who's talking and kissing you?
I said I love you. I love you. Kissing me and hugging me and daddy. I'm sister. And I love kissing you, daddy. And Hannah. Because I love everyone
Okay.
so much. I don't like Hannah. pie.
You making muffin pie?
Yeah. Or apple pie, or like pie.
Like?
Yeah, like apple pie.
Oh Lord.
I want to put it with rainbow syrup. Now the apple
That's what sister did?
Daddy just took my slice of cake.
Oh my gosh. Why would he do that? A bad guy.
He was hungry for my cake.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, but I said yes. He don't want some. I said yes. You're a good daddy. I said yes.
He's a good daddy, so you said yes?
Yeah, I said yes because he has some piece of slice of cake on mine.
That's good. That's so
And I think kind of cake did I taste? Did I taste my cupcake? It's that cake. And it tastes like bread. Yeah.
oh no.
Your cake was.
It's such a good.
Yeah, I got a ring on that.
That's so good. So good. Okay, my darling.
Flowers, mommy, daddy, with the cream.
That's so good. That's so good. It is.
Right here. Well, that cake cannot come. This 7 weeks. Her cake is on 29.
49.
That cake is on. Is that not gonna be up? I was gonna keep this costume on that side.
Okay, you wear the costume?
Because of my favorite. Purple's my favorite every day. I think it's color that I can
So, then we have a color.
so much.
Oh,
Are you okay, mommy?
yes, ma'am.
Alright. This is a bag of bills. Yeah. It's so easy when you got
Vacuum.
yeah.
Vacuum.
It's a bell bag.
Vacuum.
It's a bell bag.
please consider subscribing, give this video a thumbs up, and leave me a comment down below. I'd love to get to talk to you guys, interact in the comment section. I answer every comment, so please do consider commenting and share it with a friend who might need some motivation. And until next time, guys, have a blessed day, blessed week, blessed month, and a fabulous day. I love you guys, and I cannot wait to see you in my next one. And I do share detailed, more in-depth shorts, cleaning videos, of course, and shop with me daily shorts. So be sure to subscribe if that's something that you're interested in. Love y'all.